Hi guys, I'm Hemi from Source Life. Are you looking for the right pressure washer? We often call it gurney in Australia. I'm interested to know what you call it in your country. Please leave a comment down below. So, how to choose the right pressure washer? There are three things. The first one is what PSI do I need? Secondly, what flow rate do I need? And lastly, how many hours per week are you going to use it? I bought a Ryobi RPW170G. This is a 2400 watt, 2500 PSI. Now PSI stands for pounds per square inch. Every job requires a certain pressure to shift whatever it is that needs shifting. There are certain category of PSI. Under 1000 PSI, it's a very low power pressure washers. It's good for in and around the home. 1000 to 2000 PSI, it's good for light cleaning jobs like decks and paths and washing cars. 2000 to 3000 PSI, it's good to clean concrete surfaces with light to moderate oil stains. Now, anything higher than that, 3000 to 6000 PSI, it is a very big machine that has the power to strip paint from metal surfaces. Second thing that we need to look at is the flow rate. The water is doing the cleaning, so more of it at the right pressure will determine how fast you can complete your job. Flow rate is the volume of water leaving the nozzle, measured in liters per minute. You can't make your decision based on PSI and flow rate alone, because choosing a better design, such as one that has wheels, can make your job a lot quicker as well. It's got the extendable hose. It's about 8 meters. They come with two spray. One is turbo and one is normal. And it's got a gun. And that's just the cable that goes from the side to the front. So I'm just going to set it up. It's quite simple to install. So just plug it in here and then just turn it around, and then that will stay there, and then the other one goes in here. Just put that hose in there, click, and then just spin this. It has this for detergent. If you need to put some detergent or liquid to wash the car, you can just put it there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it up, take this whole thing off. Alright. Put your water hose. So use this one and then just put it there. Make sure it's secure. Okay, there we go. And then put this one in. Plug this in there. Like that. And then twist it. Make sure it's secure. And I'm going to use the normal one. Just twist it there. Secure. And you can hold this. Okay, you can plug this in there, like that, and then twist it. Make sure it's secure, and I'm going to use the normal one. Same thing. Just twist it there. Orang bakal nonton. Cannot wait. Secure. And you can hold this. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. For more contents like this, please like and subscribe and leave comment down below. Thank you.